How was it going, guys? And I am Abhideep187 back with another FC Mobile video. And today we are gonna be doing playing a head-to-head match with only silver players. Yes, you heard it right. We are gonna be playing it with only silver players. And here is the squad. Let's see. This is the squad. We got only silver players, and we got 70 OVR. Now let's see. Now let's play the match. We're gonna play a head-to-head match with only silver players. Let's play. And I'm ranked 10. Here is our captain. So let us. Oh, we also got some rank up rewards. So let us play the match. Let's see whom is our opponent. We are searching for a match, and let's see. And yes, we got opponent. Is Zidane 10? Who? I think he's a Zidane and Madrid fan. Let's see our stats. And here are the stats coming. We got 72 attack, he got 55. Oh, he is even worse than us. What is happening? I played in the bronze place video and the opponent was also weaker than me. I think EA just matched up the weak players together. ये रहा मेरा स्क्वाड. मेरे पास से गोल की मैं देख नहीं पाया. और इस आदमी के पास सिर्फ ब्रॉन्ज प्लेयर्स है. I think he is also doing a bronze only video. Let us start the kickoff, and the kickoff starts. Now let us go. Here is it going, and I made a cross, and no, the cross got to the keeper. I can't score the goal. Now let me try again. I'm just gonna do the same thing. This cross and attack. Like a tiki taka, and again we got no. It was just a loose shot. Now the goalkeeper throws the ball. Let us lob it through, and we lost the position. Now let me try to get position. We ain't got the position. Playing with only silver cards is hard because I just can't control them. Let's try to shoot, and the ball hit the crossbar, and it is a goal kick for the opponent. Let's see what he can do, and I would try to make the game very interesting for him because he also got a bad squad and I also got a worst squad, one of the worst squad. So let us see which of us can win the match. And the ball goes to Clausen. Let me make a trivial pass, and can I score? No. He just passed it in the goalkeeper's hands. Now let us go through. Pass to the striker. And no, I would make a power shot. Let's go through over the net. One of the worst shots. Let's see what and we got the goal. What a goal it was. Even being a silver player, what a top bin it was. He just dig it in the top bins like it was nothing. And it is a goal for Ilikhéna in the 38th minute. What a goal he scored. It just seemed like nothing. Just see this. In the top bins, and he just buried it. He was just 1 to 2 yards inside the box. And from that angle, he just played a fine shot, and the ball just got buried in the net. The goalkeeper don't even had a clue. Let's try it again, and no, he saved it. A bicycle kick, and it hit the crossbar. What a bicycle kick it was, but we can't score. It is 45 minutes plus 1, and it is half time. We are 1-0 up against this guy, and I just can't believe I scored that type of goal from that area, from that angle, from a silver rated player, and it is just insane. What can I say? It was one of the best goals I can see. I think I would try it again after some time. Let me try it again, power shot, but this time no. I tried power shot this time, and I think it was on the target. Oh, I got a free kick. Let's see. No, free kick, not corner kick. Sorry. It is not a free kick, it is a corner kick. And we again missed a shot. We are playing very bad. Only Ilikhéna scored a goal, and he also played good. Let us try another power shot which got over the Burj Khalifa. What a bad shot it was. Let me try again with what is his name? Ilikhéna. Oh, Bro, he's just magnificent. Let us try the shot again. And whoa! It's again for Likhina in the 63rd minute. What a player he is! He just scored this time with the left foot, and it was even tighter angle. And this time it was in the right top bin. Bro, he scored 2 top bins in one match, even being a silver rated player. And another, no, it just got over the net. He's just shooting like damn crazy. What, he just cooked after being better than everyone. Bro, why is he not improving his card? His shooting should be very high. Bro, just fine. He's just playing fine shots like nothing. Finest shots and buried in the top bins, deal and job done. What are that 2 shots? It was something like prime Messi and Ronaldo could do. Not Messi, because I prefer Ronaldo over Messi, and Ronaldo is my favorite. For me, he is the GOAT. And oh no, I was offside. I think he's gonna score the 3rd top bin goal and get a hat-trick, but it was offside. If it wasn't offside, I would surely get the goal. And let's get it through. Oh, I am facing some network issues, so don't mind that. And it is I just blessed him, because if I am not gonna be humble, I would score 14-15 goals, because this guy is insane. I could easily score not 14-15, but easily score 5 to 6 goals, and it is full time. We have won 2-0 with 2 freaking insane goals. I just can't tell it in words how good that goals were. And there is the player of the match, obviously Likhina. Likhina. What a player he is. I just can't express the goals with words. We got 13 shots on target, 6 on target. He got 0. We got 60% position. He got 40. We got 80% pass accuracy. He got 66. We got 0 fouls. He got 0. We got 1 offside, and he got 0. So this is the stats we do better. Let us see his goal. I just never saw a goal repeated, but this silver player has impressed me. Just look, he is inside the box, and what a top bin that was. From that angle, funny shot. He just curved the ball. See, what an angle. Here's the ball, and whoa, man. For the first one with the right foot, just see, and the ball goes, curves, and keeper just saw it like a fan, and the ball buried in the top bins. Let us see the second one. And I think he scored it with the left foot. If I scored the header, it would be a perfect hat-trick. See, again comes in the angle, but this time again more tighter in the right corner. Just see, he goes in again, strikes with the left foot, and again tops the ball, curves, and the goalkeeper sees like a fan, and Likhina just cooks. What a curl funny shot. The goalkeeper just can't have any clue about it. Bro, he just cooked. I think the whole video got I am praising her. He just became dictator Mbappe 2.0. Let us open the item packs. And yeah, we have won the match. Here is the item pack. We got some EXP, and we also reached level 13, which is great. Let us claim the packs. Here is the level up pack. And oh man, I think I have to check his stats. Let us check his stats. If you are a real football fan, you would know how goated that goals were. I am just gonna see his stats. And he also plays at the Dubai League, Saudi League. Here is that he is 72 OVR, 78 pace, 70 shooting, 57 passing, 71 dribbling, 28 defending, and 61 physical. He got 3.5 star stamina, 3-star skill moves, and his age is 19. He is 185 centimeters tall, 76 kg. He's playing for Niger and the Benzema club, and he just got 70 shooting, which is great, I think. And His position is striker, and I just not trained him up. And he was the squad. And yes, guys, we won with only silver players in head-to-head match in FC Mobile. If you like the video, make sure to like and comment. And I'll meet you soon with another gameplay.